Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, we click on Rapid TV. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. And here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page we click on Play Store. You will search about Rapid TV and then you will update your app, so please don't forget to purchase.